For me, food is life. Food is love, food is happiness. Here at the Field Operations Training Branch of Joint Culinary Center of Excellence at Fort Lee, Virginia, we are responsible for training, mentoring, guiding the incoming culinary specialists for the Army.
For our sauce, tasting wrap meat sticks. Roar!
Main thing you want to focus on is ensuring that all soldiers have that meal so that way they can complete their missions.
As part of the Go for Green initiative that the Army is rolling out, we've got some plant-based options. All the food we get comes through the DLA. They handle the contracts.
We feed about 2,500 students annually, and we produce about $100,000 worth of food that we order through DLA.
What we provide is morale boost and ensuring that all of their nutritional needs are met so that they can be the premier fighting force in the world.